So this is a question from section 9.6. Use the alternating series estimation theorem to determine how many terms should be used to estimate the sum of the entire series with an error of less than 0.001. So, first of all, let's look at the alternating series estimation theorem. This is the theorem they are talking about. And according to this theorem, if you have alternating series, what is that? Oh, if you have alternating series, we satisfy theorem 15, which is all these terms are positive, excluding this alternation like negative, positive, negative, and this un supposed to be non-increasing, and when n goes to 0, when n tends to infinity, the term un goes to 0. If our alternating series satisfy those three conditions, then as you can see here, this sum, the sum of the first n term can be approximate the sum L of the series with an error whose absolute value is less than the n plus 1th term. So you just have to find out what is un, and you need to find out the value of that un up to the point where your error supposed to be, your value supposed to be 0.001, and that will help you to find out how many terms you need. So I'm going to just use Excel here, it's easy for me. So let's say the first term, and then I'm going to find out all the value of this. This is my un. u1 means just plug n equal to 1. u2 means put n equal to 2. So I'm just putting 1 2 3 something like that. Okay, so if I keep going like this, I might need more than a couple of terms. I don't know how many terms I need, so I'm just going to scroll it down. Now I'm going to find out the value of this term, which is equal 1 over n is this one. This is the n for this n equal to 1. So I'm just going to calculate for n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, and wherever I see this value 0.001, that will help me for finding my answer. So n, which is 1 plus, here is the square root. I can use that. We can do it manually, or we can use the Excel. That's up to us. 5 times, whenever you see n, you just replace that by a1, and then double parenthesis and power cube. You see the power cube here? If you enter it, this is the calculation when I put n equal to 1 here. And if I want to do the very same thing when I put n equal to 2, I just have to drag it down, You see that? And it's going to calculate for the value of this term when n equal 1, 2, 3, 4, and my goal is to find out the point where the value of the term is 0.001, or it's less than 0.001. So as you can see here, 0.001 is here. So the sum of all the previous terms should be less than 0.001. So how many terms are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer for this question is 4 or more terms. 4 or more terms should be used to estimate the sum. Okay, so it's just finding the value of this term which is supposed to be less than 0.001. Okay.